I'm Nicole.
And I'm Sean.
And today we're going to be making Play-Doh together. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to do our dry ingredients first. So that requires the flour. So grab the flour with your right hand. And with both your hands, open the top of the flour by spreading it open. Next, I want you to get the 1 cup measuring cup and get it with your left hand and pour the flour slowly into the 1 cup measuring cup. You're going to pour that into this blue bowl. And the ingredients call for 3 of those. So you're going to do that 2 more times.
Okay.
The next step for the dry ingredients is going to be the salt. So grab it with your right hand across the table. And for this, it's 1 cup of salt. So I want you to stabilize it with your left hand, the container, and then open the top of the lid with your right finger, or right hand using your pointer finger, and then lift it.
Okay.
Yep. So then again, you're going to grab the 1 cup measuring cup with your left hand, and then pour slowly 1 cup of the salt.
All the salt.
Alright. Now pour it into this blue bowl. Dump it. Now you're going to take this mixing stick, or spoon rather, and you're going to put it and mix it in the bowl with your right hand while holding the bowl with your left to stabilize it. Alright, and you can put this spoon down, and you can put this bowl aside. So all of the dry ingredients are done, and you're going to do the wet ingredients next. So for that, you need to have the vegetable oil. So if you want to grab that with your right hand, and it's 2 tablespoons of the vegetable oil. So if you want to hold the vegetable oil with your left hand, and then turn it counterclockwise with your right. And with this, you want to grab the spoon with your left hand, and if you want to pour it into the spoon slowly, and then pour it into this yellow bowl. And then you're going to do that 1 more time. Dump it in. You can just put it on the table. And then if you want, put the cap back on, and you can put that aside. The next wet ingredient is a cup of water. So if you want to reach over and grab the cup of water with your right hand. So again, you're going to use your left hand, use the 1 cup measuring cup, and then you're going to pour with your right hand into the measuring cup the water.
How much was it again?
1 cup. And you're going to want to pour it in your wet bowl, the yellow one. Now if you want, you can grab with your right hand the spoon on the table and just mix the wet ingredients together. So now we're going to be mixing the wet and dry ingredients together. So if you want, just grab your right hand and get the 1 cup measuring cup, and you're going to scoop the ingredients from here into the wet bowl. So if you want to hold on with your left hand just to make sure the bowl doesn't move, and scoop with your right. Now dump into here. And we're going to do 3 of those. Alright, you want to put that dry bowl aside. Use the white bowl. And now you're going to get the mixing stick or spoon, and you're going to mix the ingredients together. Good job with your left hand stabilizing the bowl while you're mixing. If you want to get your hands in there, if you want to stop using the stick and pour it onto the table to make it easier, we're going to knead it like dough.
I'm gonna mix it for a sec. Dump it on the table or put it in my hands? Or?
You can dump it. Try dumping it, and if it doesn't work, we'll... There you go. Good job. So now using both of your hands, you can grab the dough and squish it together. Flip it over, squish it. And what's good about this is that, you know, it's non-toxic, it doesn't cook. You can just do it right here. Pushing it and folding it over. Good job. Alright. And if you break it apart, you can make it into smaller pieces if you wanted to make something. And this is the Play-Doh. I'm making a snowman. Good job.
All right.
Thank you.